Hi guys, welcome to the Community Coach. In today's video, I'm going to talk about why most of the communities fail. See, it can be many reasons. It can be product market fit, it can be bad management decisions, and so on and so forth. But I'm going to talk through community perspective, and I'm going to tell you about the three E's that you can look into if you are a community manager and if you want to improve your community stats or if you want to revive a dead community. Let's go.
The EEE framework stands for Environment, Expectations, and Examples. The first one is environment. See, the goal of every community builder is to create a space that's intuitive and welcoming, a space where people genuinely want to hang out. The architecture you create will influence other design elements like community's culture. The action steps you have to take to look into this is you have to research communities you are attracted to and ask yourself, what's the onboarding like? How's the community space structured? What are the guidelines? What's the setup with community roles? The second E in the EEE framework is expectations. Success is all about clarity. New members have to understand from the get go what the community is about, what are the benefits, what are the expectations, and how they can contribute. Crystal clear guidelines and communication pave the way to success. The action steps for expectations are you have to enforce consistency, regular checks in with members, re-evaluate your welcome message, set clear expectations when starting initiatives, clear interactions you'd want your community to mirror, ask for feedback to understand if the expectation and benefits are aligned. The third A in the EEE framework is example. When someone embodies the spirit of our community, are you championing them? Are you amplifying their voice and making them feel seen? Highlighting positive behavior goes a long way and nudges others to do the same. The action steps you have to take to look into this is define desired behavior. Identify members who are already displaying this behavior, motivate them to share their experiences, amplify their impact, create a routine for members, check ins, and spotlights to maintain an ongoing cycle of positive reinforcement. You can use the EEE framework for community health checks. Identify which of these E's is your weakest link and focus on improving it.